Our target group should be in Ebeltoft with high autonomy. We have selected canoe and kayak in Greno. We all attack more people to Greno instead of Ebeltoft.
Our meaning is that in Greno have more providing in Ebeltoft. Ebeltoft only have the sea where there are not too much place to sail, so it's going to be the same.
In Grenaa can be riding a stream some are many kilometers long with some nice surroundings, and there are not waves like in the sea. It is very quietly and you get a nice sail trip with densely populated and nice nature.
This is you and in fire, and we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night.
Besides the beautiful surrounding, can we provide a shop of rice in Ebeltoft, and it must be enough to attract people from Ebeltoft to Greno. And to kayak have we one of the best beaches in Denmark.
There are a lot of places and 0 kilometers long near the beach and also cheaper than Ebeltoft, so we want people from Ebeltoft to take to Greno and get a nice, expensive to cheaper money.
Desolation comes upon